The health and well-being of local kids is an important topic in the Wabash Valley, and new data is showing updated numbers for these issues in Indiana. News 10's Rachel Law went to Knox County this morning to hear more about plans for these statistics.
New data from the Indiana Youth Institute is giving Knox County leaders an idea of how much work needs to be done. Some of those leaders met today to figure out how to put those numbers in action.
To prepare Indiana's young people for what comes next, we need to know what they're going through today.
Leaders from organizations that work with youth in various ways were in attendance. The Indiana Youth Institute covered statistics ranging from the likelihood of kids graduating college to how many are living with their grandparents. These statistics covered all of Indiana, but when broken down into counties, Knox County data shocked many of those in the audience, including local health educator Tanya Short.
One thing that struck me is it said that almost 60% of our children who are in some sort of care are with their grandparents.
Short was not alone in her disbelief. Denise Swink works as the executive director of Knox County CASA, where she serves children in the foster care system. Swink says these numbers helped her to realize the severity of some of the needs of all children, not just the ones in the system.
We want to do our due diligence to make sure that these children are, their needs are being met, that they are getting all the services that they need.
The data is calling leaders to take action. Short says just by seeing the data, she doesn't know how she couldn't be pushed to action.
We can look at the research and see what kind of things have historically been proven to be effective in these sorts of situations, and then we have the data for next year and the year after.
Short says these numbers will tell them where to begin. She says Thursday was step one by informing people of the well-being of Hoosier children, and the next steps will include organizations making changes or adding more services to their programs. At 6, we'll have more on how these numbers are being used to better our local communities. In Knox County, Rachel Law, News 10.